to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you are, hi, my name's Hermione and today I'm going to be sharing a very festive video with you guys. If you can't tell by my bedding and the Christmas tree, you know, it's very Christmassy up in here today. So I'm going to be sharing some more DIY decorations on a budget. Today I focused on going to one of my favourite places, Poundland, and I bought loads of stuff from Poundland. Not sponsored. I really like Poundland and they've got some really good things in at the moment. Some good stuff that would make nice gifts. So if you'd like to see like a gift video, let me know in the comments down below. So I'm doing some DIYs with some bits today from Poundland. I did try to bear in mind that not everyone can access Poundland, so I tried to make some of these things a little bit more flexible. So if you want to make them with items that you find in other stores, it's just a little bit of inspiration for you guys. Today's video is really exciting because it's in collaboration, cannot speak this morning. I'm collaborating with Mr Carrington today. If you've never seen his channel, you need to go over there and subscribe straight away because he's great. He makes incredible videos. If you like DIYs, thrifted things, home decor, all of that good stuff, you will absolutely love him. He's another UK YouTuber, so do check him out, subscribe to his channel and check out his video, which is also DIY Poundland decorations, and I've seen some of them already and they're so cute. You guys are gonna love it. Anyway, I'm gonna jump into the video. Let's get in and make some decorations. This first DIY has to be one of my absolute favourite craft projects that I've made all year, and to be honest, this is so easy it can hardly class as a DIY, but it's this adorable little elf clothing line. I found these elf jumpers in Poundland in 4 different colours, so naturally I had to buy all of them. You'll also need some twine and some mini clothes pegs from the crafts section. Without boring you for too long, as this is so easy, basically all you do is cut a long length of twine, longer than you think you'll need just to be safe, and then pin the jumpers on with the mini clothes pegs. I made sure to space the different red jumpers, each with a green and grey one between them, so the pattern flowed really nicely. For mine I used 8 mini jumpers, 2 of each design. If you can't find these, you could craft them out of a piece of felt and then decorate them yourself, but this is how mine looks draped across my mantelpiece. I'm really pleased with it. In total this cost £10, but I've seen things similar to this going for twice as much in other stores. So next up is this berry wreath mirror. I love the circle mirror trend that doesn't seem to be going anywhere anytime soon. So when I saw one of these mirror table pieces in the bridal party section, I was so excited. You'll need to find some faux Christmas stems or picks. They have a ton of different ones in at the moment, but I'm using these plain white ones with the white balls on them. This is definitely a craft that you can do if you don't have a Poundland near you. As long as you can find the mirror and some stems, you'll be fine. Start by peeling apart each single stem from the main stick. They come apart really easily. Once you've done this, curve the stems around to mimic the shape of the mirror, and when you're happy with the placement, hot glue them in place for a fast and firm hold. Just be careful not to add too much glue so that you can see it under the stems. After placing the first one with the second and all of the rest of them, just make sure that you really figure out where you want the berries to go, because you don't want too many of them to overlap in one place. I ended up using 3 faux flower stems and the 1 mirror, so this DIY only cost me £4. This is the finished piece, and the possibilities with the floral combinations on this one are endless. Moving on next to my favourite elf jumper garland, which has pride of place on my mantle by the way, I have made these 2 candy striped stockings for either side. I have been searching for a pair of these all winter, but I've not found ones that I liked. When I saw these sets of tea towels in Poundland though, I was so excited because I thought I could make them. I prefer the inside of the tea towel with the softer red colour, but you can make these however you'd like. So fold your towel in half and cut a stocking shape out. You can use a template, an old stocking that you might already have, or just go for it like I did. Although I don't recommend this method, I just got lucky that I didn't mess this up for once. Place the stocking with the right sides together. To fix the pieces, I'm using hot glue, as the fabric is so thin that I thought that stitching it with my sewing machine might not be as secure. Hot glue is great for something like this that you don't intend to wash, and it helps keep the frayed edges secure. Go slowly and make sure the inside line is as neat as possible. Once dry, fold it the right way out, and for mine I added twine for a loop and a bow made out of ribbon. Here's how they turned out. I decided to make a pair, one for either side of the fireplace. This cost me £2 and supplies that I already had lying around. This next project is a really quick and easy candle holder hack. To do this, I took a willow wreath that they have in store at the moment. I love these and I didn't see them there last year. They come in two colorways too, white and grey. So I cut the ribbon off of the top of it, and then I took one of these copper coloured star candle holders that I found in the homeware section actually. This looks lovely on its own, but it's perfect for DIYing too. You can spray paint yours to fit with your Christmas colour scheme if you'd like, and then sit it on top of the wreath. I used hot glue to secure it into place, and they actually fit perfectly on the wreath, as if they were made to be there. I finished this project off with a quick bow using ribbon that I already had. Guess who forgot to pick up ribbon in Poundland? Yeah, that's me. Anyway, once I was done, I just set the piece up in my hallway, and you can lean this or you can hang this up on the wall. Just be careful when you're using candles in it. Flameless ones are much safer next to the wooden wreath. This next one is another simple one. It's an easy countdown to Christmas calendar. Every year I see these advent calendar stars and I never make anything out of them as they're already like done, you know. So but this one, it didn't really fit with my more minimal Christmas theme, so of course I DIY'd it. I started by cutting the wooden star from the top using scissors. Be careful with this. Although it's thin wood, scissors probably aren't the best, and in hindsight I would opt for a small saw instead. I painted the box in this dark blue that I had left over as a paint sample can. I wish I had red, but for some reason I can't find any red paint in this house. So we're going with navy blue. Once it was dried, I needed to mount it, so I took this star from Poundland. It already had a quote on it, which is nice, but I decided to flip it over to the plain side and hot glue the wooden box on the back. And that's literally all there is to this one. It's very simple. I lean mine on the fireplace, but you can hang it from the ribbon and use it anywhere you'd like. Lastly, here's a really quick and easy bonus hack. I love these little lanterns that they have in the homeware section. I think they're great to fill with all kinds of bits. I found some pine cones in the craft section. Sadly, I have no pine trees around me, so I have to buy them, but if you do, then save yourself the £1, of course. So all I did was I filled the lantern with the pine cones, but you can use baubles, Christmas lights, or even set up a cute little snowy scene in there too. The options are endless, but I liked how simple and traditional this one looked.
So that's it, that's everything for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you'd like to see some more Poundland or budget friendly DIYs and hacks on this channel. I'd like to do some more, it's been really fun. And of course, check out Mr Carrington and his video, give him a subscribe, say I said hello, and yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna sign out now. I hope you guys are having a great Christmassy time or festive holiday season, and I'll see you next time. Bye.